Well, my name is Brian Yusaka. I'm from Abdekrim Tabi High School. It's a pleasure being with you this afternoon. The objective is to share with you some of our projects we've been doing with our students. As you see there, the title is Can I Write? Yes, You Can. So it's clear that it's about writing circles project. Just as Sabadi has talked about, we have reading circles, but I also tried to implement something new. It's called, please if you go back, it's called Writing Circles Project. The objective of which is to, of course, to help students express themselves through creative writing, to improve students' writing skill, to enhance autonomy in learning, and to promote teamwork in and out of class. Also, one of my objectives is to develop in students a sense of achievement. Okay? For this purpose, I implemented in this way. I divided the class into groups, and every group contains 5 students with different roles. So the first role is that of a proposer. Number 2 is generator. Then the organizer. The next one is the editor, and last one is publisher. So for the first one, the proposer, his task is just to initiate the topic, as you see here. For example, humor. This one is about Earth Day. The aim is to seize the occasion and invite his friends to write about it. The second one, the generator, tries to do some sort of brainstorming students, his friends, about the topic. Then comes the role of the organizer. The organizer's task is to put ideas in a coherent way so that they become paragraphs or even essay, as you say in this about cultural values, this one. The next one is the editor. His task is to edit, to proof edit. And the last one is the publisher. His role is to publish the work either electronically or just as a wall magazine, as you see. So I think the project worked well, either with beginners or intermediate or even advanced students. So I invite everybody to use this new template, and thank you so much.